Hi everyone. So I just read this article that we got this week on using number sense to compare fractions, and I have a lot of thoughts. I think the main one is that we are learning there are more strategies than we originally thought, and different ways to solve fraction problems uh, beyond the common denominator and pictures, which is fascinating. Um, why didn't we ever learn this kind of stuff? Why did we get used to just solving problems the way that we solve them and not think about why we were doing that? I don't know. But um, yeah, so I mean, that's kind of the big takeaway that I've found really helpful to keep in mind. Some other things, just the way that the exercises were presented to the students in the classroom really helped work up from the baseline knowledge that students came into the classroom with about what the different parts of the fraction mean, and what they know about numbers, and then slowly working up and taking one part of the complex fractional relationship at a time and scaffolding it to work up to higher and higher levels, um, which keeps challenging them without overwhelming them with everything about fractions at one time. Um, and Yeah, and I think the last thing that I'll mention is that it's really important for us to know that students can answer the questions of why they're doing stuff. I think it's funny that kids ask us while they grow up, why about everything. Why is the sky blue? Why can you say a cuss word and I can't? But we don't often ask them to explain their own reasoning, and just maybe accept on the face value that they understand really deeply. But I think it's important, even if they do understand, to have them really elaborate and explain their thought process, for themselves to concretely put it in their brains forever, and also to share with other people, maybe a new way of wording things or looking at things. My general question going out of this is that I'm just kind of wondering what other examples or models that we can use. For example, like paper, squares, maybe even money or clocks, at higher levels. But yeah, curious to hear your thoughts. Best.